Alright, this is Tommy. I'm Ryan. We're here with Novelty Lights. Today we're going to be talking about outdoor string lights and patio lighting installation. We're going to go over a couple different things here, a couple tips and tricks, and then just some of the stuff that we've learned from the pros, that we've taught to the pros, things that we want to pass on to you guys so you can do this on your own.
First thing we're going to talk about is the different options that Novelty Lights sells in heavy-duty patio lights. The first one is going to be a medium base, and that uses an S14 bulb. The second one is going to be an intermediate base, and that uses a G50 bulb. And then the third one is a candelabra base, and that would use a G40 or a G30. In the medium and intermediate base, you're going to have an option of a suspended or a non-suspended. And all three bases will have three different colors available, black, white, and brown. And the sizes are 330 feet all the way down to 25 feet, depending on the base that you choose.
In each one of these bulbs, we're also going to have options in plastic filament bulbs, which is great for over pools or areas with a lot of wind. Maybe it's against a house. And we're also going to have the traditional glass bulb options.
Another big advantage to our plastic filament bulbs this year is that you can use them over pools without having a fear of something hitting them and breaking them, and then having glass in your pool, putting them up against a building or on your pergola, anywhere where they're going to hit. Obviously plastic is not going to break, so it's a lot safer for those installations.
Alright, so one of the keys here to our heavy-duty patio light stringing is going to be this support wire. We always recommend the support wire, especially for a permanent install or anything really going over 20 feet. The support wire is going to come in a few different lengths, and all of them will come with mounting points as well, because you're going to mount your support wire to those mounts, and then it will be going through the eyelets, or either if you're using the non-suspended, you may use zip ties or S-hooks to attach it to your support wire. You can adjust the tensions on this support wire, which will allow you to get the exact setting that you want on your installation. If you wanted to have a little droop, if you want it to be a flat line, you have all those options, and it's taking all that tension off of the actual stringer itself and transferring it to the support wire. So this is a huge benefit in your installation.
So if we're going to talk about our heavy-duty strings, especially the 330 footers, they are customizable. First of all, if you're going to use incandescent bulb, non-LED, the maximum you can do on these is going to be about 120 feet. So if you're going to buy a 330, you're going to have to cut it anyway. However, if you're buying LED and you want to use the majority of it, but not all of it, you can still cut 10, 20, 30 feet off the end, whatever it takes to make your job custom and look perfect. And then you would just use a male Cooper plug at the beginning, and then you can terminate it on the end. Just make sure it's sealed and waterproof so that you don't get any shorts.
This will allow you also to cut the 330 footer into multiple sections. Say you have three 100-foot sections. You just need to put a male and a female Cooper plug on each ends, and this will allow for full customization wherever you are putting your design up. Another useful tip to keep in mind, if you are getting anything 100 foot or shorter, they are going to come with the fused pre-molded male plug on there. Pretty common, people cut these fuses off, get rid of them. We always recommend holding on to them. We do not sell extra fuses, so keep these with you in case you run into any issue. Majority of the time, the string's not working, switch that fuse out and you won't have any issues. Alright, the next kind of major tip we have when doing the heavy-duty stringers, we get a call about this a lot. Big thing is make sure you're screwing these bulbs in all the way. They do have kind of a seal on them that keeps them year-round weatherproof. That is kind of what makes them more of a heavy-duty stringer. So you really want to make sure if the bulb's not turning on, give it an extra crank or two, and make sure it's all the way screwed in and that bulb will start to illuminate. It's also very handy, especially if you're using the shatterproof bulbs or glass. Just be more careful to pre-screw the bulbs in before you actually start your install. It'll just make things go a lot smoother, and then you're not up on a ladder moving it down the line trying to screw all your bulbs in, because like we said, it does take a little bit of arm muscle to put those bulbs in all the way.
Thank you for watching our video. If you have any further questions, please give us a call, send us an email, leave a comment. Also, check out our two videos, one about installation and the other one are about our plastic filament bulbs at the end of this video. And like and subscribe.